This is SDTV News, the Evening Report with Tony Pasolano.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our evening SDTV news broadcast. I am Tony Pasolano, bringing you the 6 o'clock weather report for July 1st, 2025. We're going to go ahead here and get the radar pulled up in a moment and take a look at all that rain that's currently hitting the southeast. Welcome back here on SDTV. So we've gone ahead and got our national radar pulled up here. Now, taking a look at the national weather radar, you can see down in Florida, we're getting a lot of rain moving into that northeast section. The whole country is completely covered right now. A lot of rain activity going through all the way down northeast, southeast, a little bit of scattered showers into the west coast. Not too much to be concerned about over there. But as you can see, moving ahead to the Pensacola area, over here, we're getting a little bit of showers. Moving on down to northern Florida, central Florida, and southern Florida, the whole state is covered in rain. Now, this trend may continue for July 4th weekend. We do have a chart to show you how that's going to be in a moment, just to keep you informed so that you can get your plans ready, so that you are prepared. And if you are going to be going out, you have your umbrellas with you. Now, moving over here to Melbourne and southern Florida, you can see it's rained in. Now, with a more detailed chart of Melbourne right here, you can see the rain is a little intense this evening, but it's going to go away. It's nothing to be concerned about. It's just some scattered showers with a little bit of thunder. But by 7 o'clock, those are going to wash away. And as you can see in Daytona Beach and Orlando, there's hardly anything going on. Moving down to West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, Miami, you could see there's a little bit of rain, a little bit more, but it's not heavy rain. It's just, again, more scattered showers. Now, moving over to Fort Myers and the Everglades, you can see more rain. Basically, the whole southern portion of the state is covered this evening in rain. Moving ahead to the Keys, we do have a little bit of scattered showers, light rain down in Key West. They're not really getting it this evening.Moving to today's forecast for the Space Coast, we're here at 6 p.m. It's currently 86 degrees. It's going to stay partly cloudy all evening. We do have a 9 p.m. 25% chance of rain. We did have 10 to 15 mile per hour winds today with a 68% humidity, scattered showers, and gusty winds for today. And our high was 88 degrees and a 71 degrees low. Now we're going to go ahead and move forward with tomorrow's forecast to give you an idea of how the morning is going to be. Now at 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, you can expect partly cloudy weathers. We're going to go from 80 to 82 at 10 a.m. to 85 degrees at 11 a.m. It's going to move to 86 degrees at 12 p.m. And then you're going to get that 87, 88 degree temperature afternoon, that 1 to 2 o'clock, that high point when it gets hot in the day. We're going to get the same winds, 10 to 50 mile per hour winds. We're going to get a good 75% humidity tomorrow from all this rain, unfortunately. We also are going to have some gusty winds and some heavy showers, some heavy thunderstorms and rain. So it's going to be scattered rain. Some of it's going to be really heavy, some of it's not. Now, moving ahead to that July 4th warning I was telling you about to prepare for the weekend, there's actually a 20% chance this weekend of a tropical depression developing in Florida. And as you can see throughout central Florida and northern Florida, that whole yellow bar, that shows you where the chance is. Now, as you can see here, all that red is hot water. That hot water is boiling, and normally when that water gets hot like that, it's more likely that something like that will form. So please keep your umbrellas ready. Keep your July 4th plans in mind. We don't want to see anybody's plans get ruined, so go ahead and be cautious and plan ahead. Now, moving to our 7-day forecast on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, basically throughout the entire week, we're just going to have rain every day. Now, expect for Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to have 65 chance on Wednesday and a 75 chance on Thursday. It's going to be in the 80s, late 80s throughout the whole week, moving into a 90 degrees next Monday. Now, currently, as you can see here, next Monday, we're at a 45% chance of rain. We're at a 65 and a 50% chance for Saturday and Sunday for the weekend. And I know that's not what a lot of you are wanting to hear for your July 4th weekend plans, but unfortunately, the rest of the week here in Central Florida for the Space Coast is going to be covered in rain. Now, we're going to go ahead and get our temperatures pulled up here in a moment so you can get a better look at what's going on here and around the country. Welcome back. That concludes our SDTV evening weather report. My name is Tony Pessolano, bringing you the 6 o'clock weather report for July 1st, 2025. Stay tuned in the future to keep up to date with storms, hurricanes, and other tropical depressions so that you have the news you need and the weather information you need to plan ahead. Thank you for watching this evening, and that concludes our broadcast.
In Florida, this is SDTV, the news station.